myself Hari Kumar. So I manage EF in Valet HR. So the Valet HR is a company who is giving solution to the HR people in the market around 10 plus years. It's all complete integrated solutions from the employee joining to exit. It's all complete solution. We are providing the solution. We are not selling the software. We are providing the solutions. So it's a lot of companies are nowadays getting main problem to automate that HR softwares. Now we are there to giving solution to the peoples. So our software is almost used in around 500 plus client, and it was developed by 25 years experienced people. So we have the complete domain knowledge, and the product was completely developed and structured by the top rated HR peoples. So it is easily configurable. We can use it for any industries without any customizations. So that is our major core of the product. So no customization is required in our product. So we have a lot of clients in our organization product who are using successfully for the last 5-6 years.